Hi, my name is Tom Mavro and welcome to the Cut It TV training channel. The channel has been set up to provide easy to follow training tutorials in today's key media production software. Cut It itself is a UK based training company with over 15 years experience providing hands-on training in media production. If you would like any further information about our training services, please visit our website at www.cut-it.tv or check us out on social media. I hope you enjoy the following tutorial. In my next tutorial, I want to have a look at how to apply multiple effects to multiple clips, and also how to customize effects and apply those to additional clips. And we're also going to have a look at how to save effects presets, which is a way of creating and saving custom effects for later use at any time in any project on the same editing system. So first of all, let's start by stacking up a few effects. I'm going to take the black and white effect here, put this on the clip. Let's also put a blur on here, blur the shot up a little bit, and we'll just tell it to repeat edge pixels on that. I'm going to go into the intrinsic effects here and we'll just reduce the scale of the frame, and let's change its position. Because we've added both added effects and changed intrinsic effects, the little effects button here on the timeline has gone green. Now what I would like to do is take this amended set of effects and apply them to the other clips in the sequence. But let's say what I would like to do is actually apply the motion change and the black and white effect but not the blur. The first method that allows me to do this is to copy the clip with the effects on and do something called paste attributes. So to copy the clip, I can either do a right click on it and choose copy. I can select the clip, go up to the edit menu and choose copy from there, or even better use the shortcut for copy, which on a Mac is Command C, on a PC would be Control C. So I've copied the clip. Now to take the effects that I've put on this clip and apply them to the other clips, what I then need to do is select the other clips, and instead of just doing a normal paste, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do something called paste attributes. Now to see this work, I'm going to put the playhead over one of the clips first so you can see whether it works or not instantly. To do a paste attributes, I can either do a right click again and choose paste attributes. I can go to the edit menu again and choose paste attributes, or again I could use a keyboard shortcut, which in this case is Alt Command V on a Mac and Alt Control V on a PC. When I choose paste attributes, it opens up a window. Now this allows me to pick and choose which of the effects I want to paste. So it's going to allow me to paste all of my video intrinsic effects and added effects, and the same for audio as well, intrinsic effects and any added effects that might have been added. It is totally selective though, so I can tell it to include, say, motion and opacity, and if I'd done any time remap speed changes and I didn't want to paste those, I could take those off. Or in terms of what I want to do is I want to paste motion, opacity and time remapping are irrelevant anyway because I haven't changed them. I want it to tell it to paste the black and white effect but not the blur. So I untick fast blur. When I now click OK, there we go, that's updated all of those clips. They've got the position change, the scale change and the black and white effect on. Where I want to take a set of effects, a customized effect or effects, and save them out for later use in a project at any point in the future. We can save custom effects or groups of custom effects as effects presets. In the effects tab, right at the top here, there is a presets bin. If I open this up, this contains already a number of preset effects that Adobe themselves have created by amending some of the existing effects and saving them out as new presets. Some of these are animated, some of these are not animated. So for example, if I take this mosaics one for a minute and we grab this mosaic in preset and I drop that on a clip, that's going to create a mosaic effect at the start that gradually fades out as you play the clip. You can save individual custom effects as new presets, or even save groups of effects as new presets. To keep things neat, what I would usually do is create a new bin for new presets that I want to create. So what I'm going to do is just select the presets bin here, do a little right click on it, I'm going to choose new presets bin. That opens up a new presets bin and I'm going to give it a name. Okay, now I'm going to keep this bin highlighted, and what that will do is when I then create my preset, it will automatically put it in the selected bin. If for any reason I forget to select a bin, it would just put it on the top level of the presets bin here, and it would appear alongside all these bins. And you can always drag it into a bin if you want to. I now need to go to the clip with the effect on that I want to create a preset from. So before I do this, I'm just going to remove the effects on these 3 clips here so you can see when I apply the preset what it's actually doing. So I've selected them, do a right click, choose remove effects, and I'm going to keep everything ticked, click OK. Those clips are back to how they were originally. Okay, looking at this one again, I'm going to select it so I can see its effects controls up here. And I'll close the effects up so that we can see them a little bit more easily. Now to make a new preset, I have to select the effects in here that I want as part of the preset. So I'm going to select motion, I'm going to hold command down and select black and white and fast blur. To then change these into a preset, what I do is right click on any of the selected effects and choose save preset. You can then give your preset a name. I could, if I wanted to, put a description in here. And then we just click OK. Have a look in the Tom's custom effects bin. There is my new preset. Now to apply that to any of the other clips, you can just apply it like a normal effect. So I just select the other clips here and I can just drag it onto the other clips, like so. Let's have a little look at them. There you go. It's got all the stuff on there. If I just select one of these clips and we just have a look at effects controls, here's the controls. So they're still all completely editable. You know, I could go in here and change the blur amount, change it to horizontal rather than horizontal and vertical. So all of the controls are still there, they're still accessible, but it's allowed me to apply a group of effects simultaneously to multiple clips.